Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Love Chisum. On today's video, we'll be drafting this corset you're seeing on your screen here. If you're interested in this video, keep watching. If you have been struggling on how to make corsets, this video is for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If this is what you're interested in, keep on watching. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I've marked out my basic body lines. Okay, I've marked out my lines, this is what I used to do every day on my channel. Okay, I think if you are coming across my channel, if you've come across my channel before, or if you know my channel very well, I think you should be used to these lines now. So this is my chest line, bust point, under bust, waistline, and the hip line, which is the length of the top. Okay, so the next thing you will do is to get your nipple to nipple measurement, which is your bust radius. So after that, you draw a straight line. Okay, you draw a straight line like this. So this is my line. So the next thing is to come to your under bust and mark on your center front. You're going to mark 0.75. On the side front, you're going to mark 1 inch. Then you're going to also mark it here. Okay, now you're going to, that place is the hip line. You're going to take your ruler to mark the lines. Okay, so this is what we have. So the next thing is to curve it. Just make a curve like this. You can see that I've curved the center, the side front, the other part, and then I curved the second one that you saw now. So just curve it from your under bust to your bust point. That is all. You don't have to do much there. So the next thing I will do now is to mark my bust circumference. I'm going to mark my bust circumference. Now I hope we are seeing it. So this is my bust circumference, and I am also going to mark it on my chest line. Okay, I am also going to mark it on my chest line. So the next thing you do now, just watch the place I mark my bust circumference and my armhole line. Just watch my armhole line and my bust circumference. I hope you can see it. You're going to divide it into two. That line there and this one, you're going to divide it into two. So whatever you have, you mark half of it there. So mark half of it. So this is the half of it. Okay, this is the half of it. Now depend on how you want your cleavage to show. I'm going up with 1 inch, so you can go up with 2 inches. You can make 1 depending on your preference. So I went up here by 1 inch. Okay, depending on how covered you want your corset. Now I'm going to mark ½ inch here, and I will draw a straight line. What we need is just that point there, and I will bring it down to the chest line. But don't mind this line. This line I'm marking is just a guide. Okay, we just don't need it. Okay, so what I need is a point at the bust point, not even the chest line, a point at the bust point. But I just drew this line as a guide. Okay, but I'm going to do something about it later. So now we are also going to come up here. Bring your line up here. Okay, don't mind my voice, please. I'm not feeling fine. So now, as you can see, I've cleaned the line small. So for your bust tightening, okay, for your bust tightening, you are going to take away some 1.5 inches. So now take away ½ inch on the center front. On the side fronts, take away 1 inch. Okay, you mark 1 inch. Okay, now we are going to curve. Okay, this new ruler does not give me what I want in curving. When time of curving, does not give me exactly what I want. So I took back my old ruler for this. So you are going to curve like you see me doing here, from your under bust, place your ruler like this, and then you curve. You are going to curve it to your chest line, like you see me doing here. So now to curve the side front, remember we divided the armhole, my bust circumference and my armhole space. Okay, let me just mark my armhole line so that you see it very well. So this is my armhole line now, and this is my bust circumference. So now we divided what we have there into two, remember. So now if you want to place your, I'm just trying to show you what I did. Just place your tape like this, whatever it is, divide it into two. Now to curve the side front, you are going to place your ruler like this, from the under bust to the place you divided into two on the armhole, in between the armhole and the bust circumference. Now you are going to curve. Okay, you are going to curve. Make sure you keep your ruler well. Then you curve. Okay, so this is what I have here now. By the time I raise it up, you will see it. I'm trying to take the curve up. So this is it. This is what we have. Okay, now to curve this, to curve the up, you're going to place your ruler like this, and then you curve. Your curve should stop at the place you divided. You minus ½ inch and 1 inch. Just let me take it down. I almost forgot to do this. Let me take it down. Okay, so this is it. Now your curve should start from there. Okay, when you are curving your own, just place it, let it start from there. Then you curve. Like I said before, this my new ruler does not give me what I want in curving, so I have to pick up my old ruler again. Then I curved the front curve. Okay, curve it to your center front again. So this is our corset now. So the next thing we do is to start marking our body circumference. My bust divide by 2, like I've marked before. Okay, plus 1.5 inch allowance that we have there. I replaced it. Also measure your under bust. Then you replace the that we used to cover our cup there. Also measure your waist. You also replace. Okay, your waist circumference divide by 4. You put it and you replace it. Also do the same thing here. My hip circumference divide by 4, and I replace my that. So this is it. Now I'm going to join all the points together. So now, because this is going to have a basque, this is going to have a basque. So for the basque, I'm going to come down. Because I want it to have a little basque effect, I'll come down by 4 inches. I'll come down by 4 inches, and I'm going to draw a straight line. Now I'll mark what I have on my hip. I'll bring it down and curve it back. Curve it, join the point back. Okay, now this is what we have here. So because I want it to have a little small basque shape, I'm going to place my ruler like this, and I will curve this ruler. Then I'll place it like this, and I will curve. So I'll make a curve from that point you are seeing there. So this is what we have now on our corset. So these parts that I'm marking now are the parts. So they are the parts that will be cutting out. Okay, we'll be cutting them out. Okay, so I will start to cut out now. So now I'm going to bring down that leg here. So whatever I did there, I will bring it down, then I will cut it out. So this is what we have. This is our front piece of the corset. Okay, this is our front piece of the corset. So now I'm going to join it together and tape it down to cut out our back. So this is our front piece now. Okay, to cut out the back, I'm going to tape it down like I said before. I'm going to tape it down to duplicate the back. Okay, so remember I nearly spoiled my pattern here, so I have to tape it down too. So by the time you put your corset now, so this is what it will look like. This is what it will look like. Okay, so the next thing now is to place a new pattern paper. Place a new pattern paper and then place the front piece like this, and I am going to mark. So to avoid shifting, I will use my tape to hold it down. Use my tape to hold it down. Then I'm going to mark the lines. I'm going to mark the shape, exactly the shape. I'm going to mark it on the front piece like this. Now here, all these lines, the chest, the bust points, the underbust, the waistline, I'm going to mark them because I'm going to mark out the lines again on this back piece. Okay, I'll just point them so that by the time I remove the pattern, I will use my ruler to bring out the lines again. This is our back pattern. So on this pattern, we're going to have a listen on it. So this is our back. This is our back. So this is my waist. This is my waist like this. This is post point. This is the point. This that's the hip line. Okay. Remember. So this is where I mark out my post point, chest line, waist line, hip line. Okay. So as you can see, I've bring out the lines and I've labeled them. So I'm also going to mark my nipple to nipple here. I'll mark my nipple to nipple here. Okay. To the down. Now I'll come to my waistline. I'm going to mark 1/2 inch on both sides. And I'll come down by 6 inches. I'll mark my that legs. So because we are going to use an eyelet at the back, I'm going to eliminate I'm going to minus 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to minus 1 inch from the back. But if you'll be using zipper, please add your zipper allowance, which is 1 inch or 1.5, whichever one you use, just add it. But I'm using eyelets here, so I'm going to minus 1 inch here. So this is the 1 inch that I minus. Now I'm going to mark an eyelet space here. So this space I'm marking now is for my eyelet. Okay, this is for eyelet. Now I'm going to mark just this knot here to indicate that it's eyelet. So but before that, let us cover our back. So I will come down a little, 1/2 inch or 1 inch from my back. I'm going to curve it like this. So this is just what I want. Okay, this is how I want my back to look. Now I'm going to mark those knots. This indicates that eyelet will be here. This indicates that eyelet will be here. So now I'm going to cut it out. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Okay, so this is what the back looks like, and this is the front. Okay, this is the final result of our corset class. This is a simple corset, beginners friendly. This is mostly for beginners. Okay, this mostly for beginners. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. So as you can see, I'm labeling it. Make sure you label it. Put your arrows up, side front, center front, so that it will not be confusing by the time you are cutting it on your fabric. Okay, so just label yours. So this is our result. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Something like this. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So these are our corsets. These are our corsets, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. So this is what you have. So you buy also, you see that it's going to give you exactly what you want. Okay. So guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye for now.